Now, how many of you have ever felt your date was so hot that everyone else wished they were sitting at your table? Now, that's the kind of attention you want your strip mall investment to grab. Welcome to ECMP Studio, guys. I'm your host, Amit Grover, diving deep into the world of shopping centers and strip mall investments. Today, we're going to discuss why foot traffic and visibility are the lifeblood of retail success. Just like the right ambiance on a first date can set the mood, the right location for your property can set up a cash flow you've only dreamed of. But it's not just about being in a busy area. It's about understanding the type of traffic and how it interacts with your space. How do you gauge the vibrancy of a location? Advanced tools like pedestrian counters and geo-location traffic from mobile devices offers a snapshot of who's passing by and when. These tools aren't just collecting data, they're revealing the secrets of shoppers' behaviors, much like discovering the likes and dislikes of someone you're interested in. Visual appeal plays a huge role too. Is your property catching eyes with standout signage or strategic lighting? Does it stand out like a well-dressed date at a party? The visibility of your investment from major roads, its accessibility, and its lighting can turn a hidden gem into the talk of the town. Now, let's not forget the strategic placement of your property. Being visible is one thing, but being strategically located near complementary businesses and away from direct competitors can amplify your property's appeal. This integration of competition and synergy will be the focus of our next episode. So if today's topic caught your eye, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Engage with us. Have you ever visited a shopping center that just seemed perfectly placed? What was it about that location that worked for you? Share your insights in the comments below. Or pose a question about foot traffic and visibility strategies. Remember, if you enjoyed this dive into the dynamics of retail success, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios, where we peel back the layers of commercial real estate investments. And if you're wrestling with decisions about where to invest next or how to evaluate a potential property, reach out to us directly at ECMP. We're here to support your journey in the retail real estate market. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay